I can see how much realization yung ma-recognize ko and ma-encounter ko during this day, especially Sir Carl Balita. He was trying to pull out something from us na hindi pa namin na-realize that would really make us equipped in our board exam.
Sabi nga nila, isang maliit na pirasong papel lang yung lisensya, but hindi yun ganun kadaling makuha.
Isa sa mga natutunan ko sa mga top-notcher is yung pare-pareho sila na merong discipline sa sarili, sa mga gusto nilang gawin, may consistency.
Ang mga sakit ngayon na naranasan ko na hindi ko hayaan na mawala yung confident ko, na ibaliwala ko yung pag-review ko, dapat continue lang kasi life must go on.
Parang natutunan ko din sa kanila na pag mangarap ka talagang gawin mo talaga.
Hindi ako tumitigil, nagpapatuloy pa rin ako dahil sa goal na ma-achieve ko to. Magiging LPT ako this 2024, isang beses lang.
In my preparation for the LET exam, I make sure to give all my efforts and at the same time have the so-called discipline, and at the same time take the board exam seriously.
Force kung magta-take na ako ng board exam, na kung saan lalabas ako ng classroom ko, kahit sabog yung utak ko after the board exam, at least I am confident na surely papasa ako.
But you know, when you change your narrative, the reason why you want to pass, it may actually change the blessings. Don't do this for yourself. Sorry to frustrate you. Sometime in May, you will pass, but you will not be the happiest person on earth. I'm telling you. Papasa ka pero hindi ko ang pinakamasayang tao. Ang pinakamasayang tao, yung mga taong mahal mo, na dahilan ko ba't pinaglalaban mo tong pangarap na to. Tama? Taas dito ang kamay nung ang magulang hindi nakaranas magsuot. Isa o dalawa sa mga magulang hindi nakaranas magsuot ng toga na sinuot nyo nung graduation. Di ba toga pa lang yung sinuot nyo? Langit na daw nila yun. Tuwan-tuwa sila, no? Dapat nga, sinuot nyo sa kanila yung toga na yun eh. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi nung bata naman sila, nangarap din sila makatapos. Hindi nga lang sila kasing swerte nyo dahil naabot nyo yun. Now, I want you to imagine if it's the license that you're talking about. Kahit pagod ka, kahit inaantok ka, kahit nawawalan ka ng gana, may gagawin ka dahil pangarap mo to. At hindi ka mag-isa sa pangarap na to. Tama? At alam ko, nakarating kayo this far because God wants you to be LPTs. And you will be LPTs this year. And that's gonna be March 2024. You know that you are more than this board exam. At sa buhay na to, marami ka nang ipinanalo. Marami ka nang victories. Tama? At hindi itong board exam na to magsasabi kung magaling ka o hindi. Very excited to be here, to be in front of the future LPTs of 2024, right? Yeah. Actually, you are correct when you believe. You are also correct when you doubt. And that's why I want you to believe. Because either way, you are correct. So, believe in believing and be correct in believing. And that starts today. Taas sa kamay ng right-brainers. Ito pinakamatindi. Mas mahirap maging jowa ang right-brainers. Alam niyo kung bakit? Hindi niya kailangan ng ebidensya. Malakas ang kutob niya. Pero ang pinaka-natouch ako sa lahat ng ginawa mong video, yung pinapili mong estudyante mo ng pera o yakap.
Thank you.
So that's really a very important social experiment. 23, ilan ang pumili ng pera?
Wala.
Lahat
Wala, sir.
Bakit ko ipagkakatiwala sa'yo yung 40 bata sa classroom mo? The challenge is you have to change the way you're learning and the way you're thinking so that you will deserve that classroom where you will be alone with the children dreaming for their future. Nung sinabi ko sa'yo dito na nakatingin sa akin ng future top-notchers, ano sabi mo sa sarili mo?
Ako na yun. Ganito.
Sabi mo?
Yes.
So wala kang duda na sa sarili mo?
Wala na, sir.
Yeah, wala na. Diba?
top.
Did you graduate with honors?
Yes po, sir.
Pero you did not dream to top.
Not po, sir.
Okay, now you're a top notcher now.
For that, napakasulit po talaga ng review and dagdag na rin po ng disiplina. Kasi po every gabi po yung session. Minsan po umabot po kami ng 6 to 11 p.m. Pero wala lang po yung pagod pag malaman mong pasado ka sa board. Mababawi lang po lahat yung paghihirap.
Yay!
I am dedicated to learning more about special and inclusive education. Kasi I think yun yung purpose ko in life, to be a living testimony to these kids. Maraming kayang magturo ng sighted individuals, but for me, hindi lang yung kayang magturo ng mga batang may kapansanan. Makita namin yung reaction nila, yung giggle nila to get that license, to learn every content na sinishare namin sa kanila. The more na mas ginaganahan kami to give our best.
Okay? Are you ready? Yes! Nakatitig ka ba sa word? Yes! Ito ba yung word? Ito, reward namin to sa'yo for doing what you do and for the inspiration na binibigay mo sa amin.
Salamat.
Sa aming lahat. Pero dahil sa ginagawa mo, marami ka na-inspired. Guys, are you complete? You are complete. Are you ready? Napakaraming istorya ng buhay dumaan sa amin. Napakarami. For the past 16 years of our lives, we're doing this. 700 top-notchers. Almost 1 million professionals. Who are you to doubt? I'm not giving you the right to doubt. You're meant for this. Imagine that now you hold the license of your life for the future. This is what we're talking about. The dream and the dreamer became one in them. Now it's time to give. And they make a difference. So you also should make a difference.